Ladies and gents, welcome back to another one. We're out here, and I gotta tell you, we don't have much of a script for today's video, but we got big news coming up for the Ridstar. We're gonna go pick something up from my friend's house, meet up with Logan, and then go head over to Asher. Let's go. None of your business. And I'm not even close to your property. Well, clearly you do. Alright guys, welcome back to another one. Always dealing with something. We're gonna go head up and meet with Asher. Me and Logan are. Logan's the one with the e-box. He's put a whole bunch of upgrades on it, and man, it's looking good. He's got plastics, he's got new pro taper bars, grips, pegs, and he had a little problem with his chain after he went through, I think he said like 4 or 5 chains, so hopefully it's working good now. But man, the thing looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, man. Y'all gotta see this. Let's look. What the heck? It's just 2 dogs. No leash, no person. Free balling. But we got big news coming up for the Ridstar. School's out, and it's time to mod the bikes even more. Let me tell you what we got going. We got coming up. First, I'm gonna start off with the power upgrades, because really, all my upgrades are just like cosmetic to make the bike look good, but really no power upgrades. I still got the 1500 watt motor. Still got the 48 20 amp hour battery. But the newest asset coming to the bike is going to be a 52 volt battery strap on. And that's going to give us 40 amp hours of battery. I think we'll be able to bike to China someday. I'm going to keep them both together. And I found the guy on the Facebook Marketplace group for the Ridstar. And he did the same thing and kept the 48 volt battery. You got to strap it right behind it. It's windy. It's always windy out here. But he straps it right behind there, right below the seat, and then from the bar coming down to the swing arm. And it actually looks a hell of a lot better than I thought it would look, so I'm pretty excited. In total for all these upgrades, which I'm going to continue telling you about, it's going to be like $400, I'm pretty sure. I may get a few discount codes on some, so maybe we'll get it down to $300, but we'll just have to see. But along with that, we're going to get new handlebars. They're going to be pro tapers, and I'm trying to find a website. Hold on, we got someone coming up. But let me tell you about the rest. Hold on, my mic got unclipped here. There we go. Anyway, we're gonna get some pro taper bars, and I'm trying to find a website or just a company that makes custom like those pads under the bar. It's like it goes across right here, and it's the pad. I'm trying to find a company that makes custom like wraps to go around those, and I'm gonna get a red pad with black lettering that says Electric Maverick. Because I'm not a huge fan of the Pro Taper because it's got yellow on there. But anyway, with that, I'm going to go on to the handlebar stuff that I'm getting. I got completely carried away. Logan's house is back there. Whoopsies! My bad on that, but anyway, from there, I'm going to take off this shifter, the 7-speed shifter, along with the derailleur in the back, because that's what it goes to. And then I'm going to replace that with just a red chain tensioner. So it's not a shifter, but it just tensions the chain. And then also a red chain. So my chain's kind of rusted out right now. I left it out in the rain a couple weeks ago, and the water kind of set on it. So I need a new chain anyway. Oh my goodness, my mic keeps coming unclipped from my phone. If y'all are wondering, we film on an older GoPro, which we don't use much because it's older, and then our iPhones. Asher's got an iPhone with freaking like 2 terabytes of storage, so we'll got the space of a lifetime. God, it keeps coming unclipped. What the hell, man? But yeah, we're gonna get the red chain. That'll look real nice on here. And then we're gonna take this phone holder off. I gotta say, the phone holder, it's nice because it's got a USB, so you can plug your phone in. And it goes straight to the controller, so it gets power. But the whole thing just flimsy and it's hard to screw in. So I don't know, it's just not the best of both worlds. But anyway, I don't even use the charger much. I plan otherwise, and I use the Type-C plugs all the time, so it's not even worth it. And anyway, I'm gonna take this off and swap it for rear blinkers, rear turn signals. and plug it into the controller to replace the spot that this plugs into. I'm not gonna do any turn signals in the front because I don't think that'll look good, but in the rear it should be good. All right, here at Logan's house. Oh yeah, he's already out. Skirt. What, Edgy? Out with the Riddy again. You ready? What time sunset, you know? 9:20? Oh, we're chilling. Can you do that on the GoPro?
Like, it's the right position, like, since there's so many bumps, it's slowly moving down.
Oh, yeah. Always with mine, like, when I hit a bump, too, it just, the chest mount wobbles the whole time. It's just, like, the whole time.
I could really stop.
Yo.
I was drifting around today.
Yo, that's fine.
2 hours, and I started at, like, 80%, and I only went to 25%. Like, so it actually had more better than I thought.
Really?
I was actually wheeling in, like, on the road, like,
damn.
20 miles an hour, pretty solid.
Like using the braking? Like,
yeah.
How?
It's so much easier on the e-box than this.
Because it's got power? Or what?
Yeah, it's just so snappy, and, like, the balance board, I think.
Yeah,
it's just that shit.
That's fire. Cruising with Logan.
You gotta start making the lawns that, you gotta start making the lawns that you most look like this guy with the white truck up ahead. He's like so sexy, bro.
Oh, it's so great when it's summertime, baby. Man, I remember you used to ride in like 32-degree weather to Panda Express or something. Oh my god, that was terrible. Should be like 15 minutes to get to Asher's, or where we're meeting up at. It's kind of across town. Flying. What Asher say? Oh, okay.
I didn't take some facts.
Oh, got you. We might have to hit Seven Brew up on the way back. After this, dude. Go. But yeah, back to the upgrades. So we talked about the blinkers. I'm also thinking about getting, there's a Baja light that's plug and play for the Ridstar. It just plugs into where the stock light that came with the bike, it just plugs into that. But yeah, I don't think the bar light would look good under the Pro Taper bar pad. So I'm thinking about just maybe the Baja light. But y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. And then I'm getting a new LCD screen. It's like it's the ones that you usually see with the upgraded Ridstars. It's like small ones with the plus and minus button. It's like that big, and I'll put it right here. It'll go right where the phone holder is actually. And that's just what a lot of people do with upgraded Ridstars, and you can't put this under, especially with the Pro Taper bars. It just won't fit and look good. But yeah, we're gonna be doing videos on all those upgrades. Probably one big video on just upgrades in general. We'll do one specific one on like the installation of the 52 volt and kind of testing it, see what kind of range and if it gives us any more torque, which I bet it will a little. I watched a lot of other people upgrade to 52 volt and they notice a lot more torque, especially going uphill, but no more top speed. All right, now we're gonna go meet up with Asher real quick. But yeah, hopefully we'll be putting more videos out just in general. We have a lot planned, kind of some testing stuff and just fun riding around ones and reviews. But as always, if you have any recommendations or want to let us know any ideas that you have for videos, drop them in the comments as always. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. And hell, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe and join the crew. Let's go. Yeah. One lap, one lap. Hello, guys. Thank you, thank you. All right, you ready? That'll be a bumpy ride for y'all. This is what you get with a chest mount. Ugh. 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 Man, this makes me want a Suron. Come on. Be going like 40 on here with the Suron. Man, I really gotta dial in this rear suspension. Good God. Good God, man. Ugh. I call second base. What? Ugh. You see that suspension? How loose it is? She's gone. Back at it. Logan's fixing all the problems. Zip tying the plate up. Just got a new gimbal. Let's test this thing out. Alright, let's roll. Alrighty, we're off. Trying to beat sunset so the parents don't get too mad, but we gotta stop at the good old Seven Brew on the way home.
Hey, Asher.
Alright, I'll see you around. We're making a deal. We're giving Asher my old bike plus the 2 batteries, and I'm taking his computer. $500. $500 plus the bike, and I'm getting this computer. Sidewalk time. They still got 1 more week of school, and I'm out, so at least a week till we start making videos. All right, guys, I think we might have found a new bike. That's like the work up to bike from the Ridstar. Originally, it was like the Tudio or one of the Electric & Co bikes. But y'all have seen, it's the Tudio ICT. It's like $1,800. 4,000 watt motor, goes like 50 miles an hour. Only for $1,600 is absolutely crazy. I actually emailed Studio, tried to ask them to like sponsor a video and send out a free bike. They say that they always answer and respond in 24 hours, and it's been like 5 days. So I think that was a fail, unfortunately. But yeah, that's the next work up to bike. The thing's clean too. It looks really good. I have a feeling Tudio's gonna release something even better in like another year, half a year, something like that. Gotta get the chocolate shake from Seven Brew. Yeah.
You have so many videos ideas, man. Of the summer, I'm about like 5 of the best e-bike T-Moon products.
Oh, that's fire. Yeah, we gotta do all those.
One of them is for sure gonna be like a rod holder, because I'm gonna be like, so you guys.
I tried to do it on my old bike, dude. Can't pass Seven Brew without getting the chocolate shake. Gotta say. Logan's killing himself. You got them all like written down, the videos idea? I have like a whole note just for like video ideas. You know?
I got that stuff in my head.
On the road again. This year we're to get on the road again. Yeah, this summer's gonna be lit. To videos coming. Like a Suron. Comfy. Like as soon as I went over like a big fog, I'm like, dude, the Ridstar is like forks with a snap. But you're gonna be able to wheel in like 2 weeks. I gotta get videos of you.
I'm gonna wheel that shit like freaking around.
I can't wait. I'm gonna get a bunch of videos for you. See ya. Did Asher say something? And there goes by 3 hours. I got a question for you guys. I want to know what like everyone's workout bikes are from the Ridstar or the Tudio. I noticed like most of my audience, they all have like Ridstars or Tudios, or that's what they're gonna get. But what's the next bike after that? Are they going straight? Are you guys going straight into like Surons and Talaras? Are you working out to get like another just faster e-bike? Or what are you gonna get? I'm just interested in what people's workout bikes are. We're gonna end it off right where we ended the last video. Expect a lot of new content coming soon. Summer's here, school's out. It's gonna be a good time, good time. Thanks for watching the end, guys. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Peace.